Hello ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a Shimano 105 hydraulic brake that started to leak near the brake lever when I put too much pressure via the bottom outlet during the bleeding process. I really thought I have to change the entire left hand set altogether, but later I found out there's a diaphragm near here. The diaphragm has been marked as number 17 with the part number YOC 678,000 for right hand side and YOC 578,000 for left hand side. So basically drain the oil and replace the diaphragm, or if you're lucky just straighten the rubber and put it back and it should work. In my case I didn't buy a new diaphragm, I removed it and I straightened the rubber or readjust it and put it back again. And it is looks like it is holding the oil. It's nothing coming out. Earlier on, from this point, earlier on there were plenty of oil when I tried to put the brake. Everything peeking out. Now it's nothing coming out. I know you can see some oil residue up there because I replaced the diaphragm and there were plenty of oil there. But actually, when I use the brake lever, it's nothing coming out. So guys, good luck. If you can just buy a new one. I think you can buy a new one on Aliexpress for $15, something like that, $10 to $15. Outside probably may cost more. But if you're lucky, you could try with before replace the diaphragm. You can try by just straightening it up. It may work. In my case, it did work. So good luck, and thank you for watching this. Bye.